One thing I appreciated about Dance Lab was getting to work with the lecture classes. Not only were we able to work on our choreographic voice by taking choreography, but we were also able to work on college applications by touching on artistic statements and using creative writing prompts. About how to understand music on a more fundamental level. What I really liked about Dance Lab was getting to experience making my own choreography and also learning the different principles of choreography you could do.
One thing I liked about Dance Lab was getting to experience classes from new choreographers and guest choreographers, as well as the CSU Dance staff. It was really fun, and I got to learn new sort of thinking.
I think what challenged me was working with other dancers, like in contact improv, because I haven't done a lot of that, and just getting more comfortable with that was a challenge.
As ballet is not my main focus in dance, so learning about contemporary ballet was really fun.
It pushed me out of my comfort zone of what I'm used to doing, what style I'm used to doing.
Dance forms like capoeira, tango, and other non-Western dance forms.